Good afternoon, welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's doing well. As you can see, and you'll see from the title, just taking delivery of the Yellowspeed Racing Coilovers. These are the Dynamic Pro Sports. So just going to do a bit of an unboxing and just see what's in there. These are for the Clio Mark III RS 200. And mine's the later model, so it's got the triangular top mounts. So let's have a look. So I got these from Tegiwa. So we've got a toolkit. Quick look, see what's in here. So any of these are for the dampening adjustment. So it's got 33 clicks of dampening adjustment. That should be front and rear. And we've got the spanners in there as well. So we'll be doing a video on fitting these in the near future as well. These are the rear shocks. They are a good looking coilover. This one will be the other rear shock as well. I've got the rear springs. So I went for the track rate springs. So we've got the 8 kilo front springs and 7 kilo rears. Just with the car, it's been mainly used for the tracks and hill climbing. It doesn't get driven too much on the road, so I thought the track one would be absolutely fine. The other rear spring. Packaging. We should just have the two front struts in here. So as I mentioned, mine's the later model with the triangular top mounts. There we have it. Really looking forward to getting these fitted to the car. see how it handles. Be able to go a little bit lower to the floor as well with them being adjustable. And then when we're at the race days as well and the hill climbs, we'll be able to adjust the dampening too. Didn't really know which coilovers to go with at the time. I was stuck between BC Racing, Bilstein and Yellowspeed that was in my budget. But I ended up going with Yellowspeed in the end, just asking around on the forums, everything like that. It seemed to be a popular option. But that's it. Like I said, we're going to be fitting them soon in another video. If you've not subscribed already, go hit that subscribe button and keep posted for the fitting video. Thanks a lot.